And those look good when I turn on these down here. Yeah. Look at that. Alright, what it is, y'all. So today I'm just gonna put some LED lights on the inside, LED lights in the glove box, taking the glove box out, do that again. Cabin filters. It's the most disgusting thing I'd probably ever seen when it comes to a cabin filter. Alright, to remove the cabin filter, you just take off the fuse box cover. There's gonna be a screw there I've already removed and a screw down there I've already removed. You take your hand and you pull it off. You also need to pull this center part down. Right here, there's a clip right here and a clip back there to pull that center part down so you can get to this screw right here. And a little word of wise is that this clip right here, can you see that? Down there, it's like an angle piece of metal that's angled almost like this, and it actually clips in down here, and if you just pull on it, you'll bend the metal and break the plastic in the clip when it comes out. So, little word of wise down there, little tip or whatever. Alright, y'all, what it is, here we are about 3 minutes later. I've removed the 3 screws from here, here, and here. And if you look, there's a ground wire, of course. You don't want to just have it hang on the ground wire. That puts stress on the connection and the wires. Wedge it against the ground like you would a chair on a doorknob. Takes the stress off the wire and the ground. Now what we're gonna do is, you've already unlocked the glove box. That is disgusting. Remove this cover. This cover, there's a Phillips, and you'll be able to just essentially yank your glove box out of here. We're doing this to replace the light bulb over here that nobody wants to replace because you have to go through all this trouble to replace it. Remove screws, remove screws, remove screws. Can you see that? Screw, 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 and then screw, 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 screw. Okay, so remove all those screws, and now you're able to actually remove the glove box. And I'm gonna place you guys inside so you know what it's like to be a glove box being removed. As you're doing this, you're gonna run into a problem over on the left with the light and the hinge. Just work your way past it, take your time. I've already worked my way past it. Alright, we're done. Alright. There we are. Okay. As you can see, we've already been in here and cleaned up everything in here, but I'm gonna take all this out and clean it again in here because it's that dirty. Here's our connection to the light, and here's what you need to watch out for. And so here's the glove box right here. Here's the light. You have to unscrew it, I believe, to actually change the bulb. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna get back with you guys and show you what kind of bulbs we're putting in here. LED conversion, yo. Alright, y'all, what it is, here it is, the thing. There's the light bulb. There's the pusher. See? Pink, pink. Oh, there we go. Hopefully this isn't bad. But anyway, so I said we're going to be doing LED conversion. And surprise, surprise, I've got some LEDs straight from eBay. Woo! Can you guess what color they are? That's right. I got a ton of them too. Dang. What the hell? Anyways. What else we got? Yeah, buddy. We got them all, son. Let's dump these out. Okay, so on eBay I ordered pink/purple and this ultra pink or whatever, the super bright ones. So that's what we're working with here. These right here are the pink/purple full kit. I think it's like 14 bulbs or something. These actually go in your sun visors. Useless, but anyways. So for here, I was thinking about doing the pink and purple for the glove box, honestly, this one, because I don't think the ones this is the only one that's going to fit. Holy crap. That might not fit. yeah, we're gonna have to figure something out here. Anyways, I also have some smaller ones right here, so that might fit. Those are super bright. These right here, these are pink. These are just straight pink LEDs, like super bright pink LEDs. These are a little bit more pinkish purple, not as bright. Much better, a really nice purple, I will say that, but whatever. So looks like I'm gonna try these out because they're the only ones that will fit in here. Then I'm gonna plug it in here, test it out, and I'll let you know what's up. Alright, what it is, y'all. Sorry, I took a little break, had some breakfast. Anyway, so got the LED put in there, as you can tell. Had to bend the tabs a little bit. I also had the LED pointed down somewhat, so kind of, you know, see, because it goes like this, so light up the glove box. Also, I had to test this. It works. Flip the LED the right way, so it works. I'm not getting any power here at the plug, so I'm gonna have to either just kind of hot wire it later, or you know, put it on the list with the other electronics that need to be fixed, like the radio, the gauge cluster, you know, heater and AC lights, controls, you know, and the rest of the interior light bulbs. Also, I also tested the dome light, and again, more electronics don't work. It's a bad ground. This is not getting any power. Dome light's got bad ground. The megaplexer, whatever it is bad for the gauges, and it has aftermarket gauges with its own brain center, you know, the EL glow, and it's bad too. So I ordered all this off eBay with these interior lights. We'll get all to it later. So here we go. Anyways, gotta start somewhere. Start with the glove box, since I had to do that. You know, change the cabin filter. That was a lot of fun. You guys saw that with the vacuuming and all that crap. Oh my god. Anyways, but so I'm gonna put this back in, get it all back together, and move on to the next step, and I'll get with you guys here in another minute. Alright, glove box is in. Just need to put all the screws in. It's clean in there. Well, I'm gonna wipe it down, but it's clean in there. And yeah, just reverse the process to put everything back together. All the screws. Make sure you remember where you put them all. So yeah, just reverse the process, put it all back together. Alright, catch y'all on the flip side. Alright, open the glove box. Oh yeah. Oh, it's tight. Okay, we're gonna take these off right here. Replacing them with the purple/pink ones for the doors. Oh, flip it. There we go. And then I've already oh, focus. Okay, yeah, I've already cleaned all the covers, and I've already cleaned inside of the thing. It was dirty as hell, like everything on this car. Just put that back on, good to go. Alright, y'all, what it is. So I've replaced these up here with a different kind of LED, as you can see. I would actually recommend these for the doors as well, this style. But these are the ultra pink, not the pink/purple, and I'll show you that right now. Ooh, yeah, so that ×2 is something else. So that's done. And again, make sure you have the polarity right and they're in the right way. Also, I've replaced the overhead one with the same type that's in the glove box. So you're about to see what's in the glove box. Woo, man, that's that ultra pink. You can tell it is a tad bit purple, but not as much as the other ones, like over here. Those are actually a little bit more purple, if you can tell. Alright, y'all, EL glow gauges payoff. There we go. Not bad, not bad. The needles don't work, obviously, but what can you do? Alright, let's check out the door over here. Opening door. Oh yeah, ballin'. Alright, I'm gonna show you guys the overhead lights. Alright, y'all, overhead light, payoff. Woo. Let's do these in the front now. Yeah. So bright. Alright, I'll show you guys from the outside. What it is, y'all, UNICORD LED payoff. Got the junk in the trunk. Not bad, not bad. That door one. Alright, so that takes care of about all of that.